Hello guys, so today I will be showing you how to make slime. So you can see the glue and some shaving cream and some borax with water. I just got it and you need something to mix with and a top or container. Well, bowl and ready. A bowl and plate. It's kind of like the same like, but the bowl is kind of like, Okay, now remember to subscribe, put a thumbs up, and share it. And yeah, let's get right to it. So let's add the glue. Okay, how do you open this? Is it already hard? I don't know if it's gonna work out or not, or is it? I'm just gonna try it. That's all I need. Rest of the know it's gonna work out. So, you gotta add. If you want it big and you add so much shaving cream, it wouldn't make it because you need to add more glue. Like I just add a little bit some glue. If you add the whole container, you can add like a little bit more. But I gotta add this much because I did not add that much glue. If you don't understand me, just go to my video. Kind of need a little bit more shaving cream. I really don't know if it's gonna work out. I just saw it on YouTube. If it does not work out, that means that little girl or man is lying. Let's add the activator. You can add whatever activator. Just let it be activated. Okay. It's just coming up. I really don't know if it's gonna work out. Okay, looks like it just came together to make one sound. I just learned that from school. You just come together to make one sound and make the other sound. Or something, I just forgot about everything about school. But yeah. Today's Monday. We're going at school Wednesdays, this Wednesday. And yeah, so we're on vacation, so it's so lovely. I know that. Okay, this is a wonderful slime. Okay, this is so pretty. It is not that stretchy. I'm adding more strawberry cream. I think that will make it stretchy because the afterburger makes it more harder. I think the shaving cream might add it more soft and stretchy. See how it kind of comes together and stretchy. See? It's just a big look. Okay. This is too much slime, not that much. So pretty. Okay. Bye guys. Now remember to subscribe, put a thumbs up, and share with all your family. And all your family. And teachers and babysitters. And yeah. So that's it. And remember, this time works with only 3 ingredients, but 2 more ingredients comes together to make the slime. And bye guys. Bye guys.